All right, we added about 1 pound of our protein penne pasta. It's uncooked. Now we have some medium buffalo sauce. This is 12 ounces, and we're gonna add all of this delicious buffalo sauce right on top of our pasta. We are making such an easy and delicious dinner tonight. So once you've got almost all of it out, and then we have some milk, and we're gonna pour about 1 cup of milk into our sauce bottle here. Then put that lid back on and shake it up. We wanna get all that yummy sauce out of there, and mixing it with the milk is gonna make it nice and creamy. All right. See, now look at that. The bottle is totally empty. Now we have some low sodium chicken broth. This is almost about 2 cups. I think it's a 14-ounce can. We're just gonna pour the whole can of chicken broth right in here. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little mix right in our baking dish with my little spoon here. Just flatten it out. And then we have some pulled chicken. This is about 3 cups. I want this to be smaller, so I'm gonna grab my scissors. Be careful, but you can just also use a bowl, and you can just shred the chicken even further. Once you have your chicken at your desired size, I'm just gonna take it, and we're gonna put some chicken all over the top of our pasta and our sauce and everything. All right, now we have some ranch dressing. It's gonna make it so good. We're gonna drizzle about 1/4 cup of this ranch dressing all over the top of our chicken and our pasta here. Yum. And then we're gonna add a block of cream cheese right to the center. And then we're gonna cover this with some foil and pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. All right, this was in the oven for about 40 minutes. Let's take this foil off. Ooh, look at that. It smells so good, you guys. We're gonna take a big spoon. We're just gonna combine everything together. That cream cheese, oh, that chicken, that ranch, the pasta. Just make sure you flatten all the pasta down into your pan. All right, now we have some shredded mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna use about 1 cup. We're just quickly gonna sprinkle that all over the top of this awesome dinner. All right, once we got all of our cheese on there, let's pop our oven mitts back on, because this is going back in the oven to melt that cheese for about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, this is so good. Look at how it came out. We have some chopped parsley here. I'm gonna go ahead and just give a nice little sprinkle all over the top. You could use chives, you could use basil. I'm just using this because it makes it look pretty, but you don't have to use this. It's totally optional. There we go. Oh, that looks beautiful. All right, let's get some of this. Oh yeah. look at that cheese pull. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. Oh, yum. Wow, this is gonna be so good. There's some chicken. There we go. A little bit of everything. So cheesy. Oh my gosh. That is so good.